Welcome back to the gaming family. Today, I'll be showing you how you can fix Dota 2 lost connection to Steam. So let's dive right in. First, open your Steam app in your PC or laptop, then log in. Next, go to the library located at the top of your screen. After that, navigate to Dota 2 and right-click on it. Now select Properties and in Launch Options, input this. Next, go to the local files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. After doing it, close your Steam app and restart your PC. If problem persists, it is better to reinstall the Dota 2 game. And there you have it. You have successfully fixed the Dota 2 lost connection to Steam. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.